Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome. On this channel I help people to raise their vibration and raise their consciousness, and that will change your life because everything is energy and everyone is energy, so you can attract whatever you want in your life because you attract who you are, or more like who you think you are. So if you want to know how to manifest your dream life, then this video is for you. And I also have part 1 and 2 that you can see up here or here. And remember to subscribe with the bell and like and peace for more. That would mean the world to me and help my channel grow. I will not keep you waiting anymore, and here is part 3. How to manifest your dream life. Let's get on to the third one. And that is be you. So that is so simple, because being you is like unique. There's no one like you. There's no one have experienced the same thing as you. And there's no one that is thinking the same as you. And there's no one feeling exactly the same as you. And there's no one like you. So I hope you can understand that, and you also have your own unique energy, your own unique vibe, and how you are around people and around yourself. So how are you? Well, how do you know yourself? You already know yourself, but it's just all these kind of layers of society and traumas and stuff that are just hiding who you truly are. But the sun is already there. You are the sun. Sometimes there are clouds hiding the sun, but you are already there. Sometimes it might not feel like it. Sometimes it might feel like it. It's just depending on what you choose and what you believe in. If you're worthy to show your true self, and you are. Believe me, you are. I thought the same. Maybe you think that you're not worthy, and I thought the same. And sometimes I still do, but it's a process, and it's a healing process. And I really know that it's worth it to be you, because then you're gonna attract more of people that like you for being you, and also gonna attract those people who are authentic. Because when you're authentic, you're gonna inspire others to be authentic too, and to create a better world, because you are light. And when you're authentic, you are light. You create more light, and you inspire others to be that light, that unique light. And there is no light that is better or lower than others. It's just light. It's the natural state of all beings. Like just when you look at a little baby, then it's just so innocent and loving and all, and you cannot hate it, because it's pure energy. And it's love, and we are also love and pure energy too. But it's just when you grow up, it's society and all that are gonna program what is right and what is wrong, and what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and how you should think and feel guilty for blah blah blah, and feel happy for blah blah blah, and feel proud of blah blah blah, and like all that kind of belief systems we have. So be you, and you're gonna attract more of you. So just to make a short resume of what I just said, is to detach yourself from outcomes, from what should happen, and have trust and know that it will come in the right time, and it's already here. Number 2, be grateful for where you are right now, and know and be grateful for what you already have, like your vision. And the third one is to be you, and you're gonna attract more of you, authentically you. So it's not something mystical, it's just you. Not just you, because you're unique. And I hope to see you next time, and remember to like in peace and subscribe for more. That would mean the world to me and help my channel grow. So I hope to see you next time, and I send you so much unconditional love.